How to turn off app suggestions on iPhone home screen. So let's get started with the tutorial. There are the little app icons that iOS shows on the dock or in the search screen based on a user's patterns. So in order to disable it, first of all open the settings app on your mobile device. Inside settings, scroll down and tap on the Apple Intelligence and Siri or Siri and search for the older iOS versions. Once you tap on it, all you have to do is simply scroll down to the suggestion option available there and simply toggle off the suggestion of apps or suggestion on home screen or suggestion in search, and you won't see app suggestion in search or the home screen. Siri won't suggest app based on your activity or time as well, and you still see your installed apps and folders as usual. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.